Hey man, this is Alia, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the lifestyle, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we have an online Hypebeast mystery box openings video. And if y'all watched the one I did where it was Hype versus Hypedrop, you guys already know the hassle that I went through with that one. And I'm just gonna go ahead and say this. First things first, the first thing that you guys need to know is that one, this video is not sponsored, so you know this real deal stuff. And two, do not go using this unless you're 18 or older. And three, bro, in reality, bro, just save your money, bro. I don't think I'll ever take a sponsorship from any one of these like type of online mystery box companies just because of the fact that like it is rigged to make you spend way more money than like whatever item you might get. You might end up having to spend like $500–600 before you get a nice sneaker that's valued at like $200 or $300. So essentially, I just really do these videos because I ain't gonna lie, they're fun to make. I never use a crazy amount that allows me to like, it's gonna put me in a bad position or whatnot. But if you guys are ready for this video, I just need you guys to go ahead and smash up that like button. I need 100 likes on this video. And if you're new to the channel, we're not yet at 2K. We're literally freaking like, I think it's like 9 subscribers away from 2,000 subscribers. So you guys make sure you go down below, smash that freaking subscribe button, okay? I already know how the session's gonna go. I'm pull off the laptop, and we are gonna be on Hypedrop. I got like $40-some. We're gonna go ahead and do it with streetwear items. We're gonna see if we lucky this time and whatnot. But anyways, let's get this video started. Alright, so you guys already know how this section goes. I got my laptop in hand. And if you guys want to essentially know, let me get this recording first. Right now. Okay, so if you guys want to know why I'm not on Hype right now, is because literally they kind of banned me putting money in my account. Like, I'm not even lying with you guys. Because if y'all watched the first Hype versus Hypedrop video, I literally tried so many freaking cards. They were like debit cards. I used my girl's card, I used my friend's card. I think I even used my parents' card. Like, none of the cards were like getting accepted, you know what I mean? It was like Chase, American Express, all that stuff. It just like my bank, they wouldn't let it go through and whatnot. That's the first, little sketchy, thing. But I just kept going, and eventually I had to use like, I finessed it with like the gift card. Even on the gift card site, it was still not allowing me to like, purchase the gift card and whatnot, but I eventually was able to get like $20-some up in there to make the freaking video. So fortunately enough for this one, with my Discover card, everything went pretty smooth and whatnot. So I got things done for Hypedrop, but for Hype, I'm gonna have to like make a new account and whatnot, or use a different email. So, as you guys can see on the screen, if you guys don't know what Hypedrop is, it's an online mystery box. It's not as hype as like, the layout is like different and stuff. It's not like Hype, you know what I mean? But they have like various things. It's not just like the streetwear, but we're only going for streetwear and sneakers. So you got the new items that they got. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at that. They got the Hype box, off-white sneakers. So essentially my plan is to do a lot of 2 to 5 boxes since we only got like $40. But let's see if for the Hype sneakers, if they got a small one. No. Yeah, black sneakers. Like, see, like these are our type of boxes. Look at that pricing, because we can open up a lot of boxes. What else do they have? They have gaming, they have budget, miscellaneous. What's in miscellaneous? What do y'all think? Nah, I don't want that. Budget boxes. This is low-key what we should be doing. But I don't need all the gaming stuff. That's the thing. Fast box. Bro, I'm excited. Like, guys, y'all know these stuff be fun. So, like, let's not waste no more time. We're going to start off with the white sneakers box. Whoo! Okay. So, they still got a whole bunch of laces. Okay. Size 46. But then it lets you know the percentage. Like, look at this, 0.002% to get a freaking item. And then these lows right here, man, we don't even need those. We got these right over here. You know what I'm saying? These is right here. You know what I'm saying? What you talking about? But okay, let's not waste no more time. Let's test our luck. Bye now. But they got Air Forces. What is this? Laces. Wait, man. So, let's open one more. Bro, this will be, oh, are we gonna get lucky? Can we get something? Bruh, it gave me the same thing. Of course I ain't gonna keep this stuff. I gotta just go ahead and sell it. Okay, so I had enough with that one. Let's go check out the black one. And more boxes. Adidas NMD, that's a good box. Okay, let's look at this one. They got black sneakers, so I'm guessing it's gonna be like the same type of shoes. See, like the chances, let's see something that's like above 1%. Like just about. So we got 0.5% chance of getting some Converse. Dang, you see what I mean? Like, what the freak? I don't even think these percentages add up to 100%. That's like how bad it is. Okay, let's go for it. We're gonna be opening up like 10 boxes, so hopefully we can get some lucky, bruh. Come on, give me a freaking item that I can just at least keep. You know what I'm saying? Or at least sell for a decent amount. Oh my goodness. We've gotten 4 freaking laces, bruh. 4 laces, and we're already down $10 off 4 freaking laces. Godly. Okay, I'm gonna try one more on the sneaker, then we're gonna move over to streetwear. Gonna try this NMD box. Only one go. One go. Dude, give me something. Oh, it left me. Oh, what? Oh, y'all know y'all saw that. Oh, we were so close. We were so close to some freaking NMDs, bro. So freaking close. God dang, bruh. Come on. Let me exit this out. Dang it, bruh. Oh, shoot. Watch it. Wait. Nah. Okay, all in, what is this? It's supposed to be streetwear, right? It's all in one. You got that juice box. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, what? Clout juice. What the heck? These people, they ain't got their own box. That's kind of live, bro. What the heck? Okay, so we're gonna go with the bait 1% box. Let's see the items that we can get first. That's not even a bait. Okay, so okay. Let's see the low items. Hey, this one's kind of live. This sticker right over here. I would definitely like that. Definitely live. I mean, these items. This is just all up. Buy one now. What we gonna get? I think we're gonna. Whoa! No, bro! I know y'all saw that. Golly, bro! What the? We almost had the shirt. Okay, dang, that was. Bro, come on, let me win something. Like I like this. No, I hate the shoelaces. F it, let's just go for it. It's good that we're doing a variety, but I know y'all saw that. That was so freaking close. Of course, we got shoelaces, bruh. Golly, bruh. I don't think we're gonna win nothing. This is why I be telling you guys, there ain't no need in y'all going spending y'all money on this. Just let me do it. Y'all just, all I ask is that y'all smash that like button. Smash that like button and subscribe, bruh. We is not gonna. I'm hoping we get some. Let's. Alright, Supreme. So let's see the Supreme one. More shoelaces, fidget spinners, and stuff. They have a cool amount of items. I just wanna. I think we might go for a $5 box. What are you gonna change? 12%? So this box got a few more items, stickers, all that stuff. So. Oh shoot, man. What are we gonna get? Ah, we almost got that chain. I want to try this box again. 45 cents. Oh, let's go one more time with the Supreme. The Supreme 1% profit. That's literally what it is. You will take. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. Let me see. I think you get something for leveling up. Get something for leveling up, don't you? Let me see this. No. Let me. My bad. I really needed like a little reset. I already claimed it already. Where is the freaking? What do you do when you level up, bruh? I know. There's like a.
You're a genius.
Yeah, rewards. This is what I was. Yeah, there we go. Cause I'm just like, if there's a chance for us to get at least like a little bit more money. I'm level 2, right? There we go. Whew. Guys, that would have been huge, bro. Like, that would have been so live. I've never won anything with like these little things or whatever, especially with like this low amount. Oh, that one had me crunk, bro. Oh my goodness. Should we go with the Supreme box again? This one says 30% profit. No, it's not. Stop it. Stop it. Okay. Dang, they actually had us on this one. Oh. Let's get something. Does that say Supreme? What the heck is this? Alright, I've really been liking this box, so of course, after this one, we're gonna see if there's like a good $5 box. And then should I go? Bro, like I really just want to keep trying this box until I get something nice. But I know there's some other boxes that we can choose from. Okay, so right now the only $5 box I see is the watch one, which I think we're gonna go for. Okay, so let's go for the watch box. And then should we go with a shebang and get like a $10 one? The heck is this? A rose gold watch. The stakes is better. Come on, okay. Like casual slim. What the $1? I hate they trading values, bruh. Okay, I think we should go with a big box, bruh. Like a $10 one, not the watch one. But I feel like a $10 box, just give it that big, like, shebang, you know what I'm saying? What $10 box should it be? As of right now, I've only seen that only one $10 box, which is the Hypebeast budget or the watch. I don't want to do the watch one. Let's see if the sneakers has a $10 box. They do. Let's view both and then just figure out what we're gonna do. I just want to make sure that if there's stickers in this, they got a planner. Planner, sticker. You have a decent amount to win some slides. But that's like it. Okay, now let's go ahead and we're gonna go back and we're gonna take a look at the streetwear box. It's the Hypebeast budget box. And we're gonna see what we have a chance to win over here. I just look at the percentage because like chances of winning is so freaking low. Ah, they got the most level beanie. Easy resale right there. What they said. Few car shirts. I just know I want to get some Fruit of the Loom socks. I don't know. Maybe I should flip a coin or something. See, it's like, F it. We're gonna do the Hypebeast budget. Should we? I don't know. Don't know. Should it be the sneakers? Dang, bruh. I'm kind of vibing with the sneakers more. A lot of shoes. Okay, we're gonna go with the sneakers. We're gonna go with the sneakers. Big box. What they say go big or go home. We got one last box after this. Hopefully. A planner? Come on. Alright. We got room for one last box. Let's go back to streetwear. That Supreme box has been calling my name. Maybe we can get lucky. Like I was telling you guys, man. Don't waste y'all bread trying to test y'all luck. Hopefully we get some items so we can hopefully sell. We got a silver. Okay, we leveled up again. Let me go ahead and sell this. Usually when you freaking level up, you can go ahead and get your rewards. What? That'll be level 5? Yeah, they crazy. We's not doing that. Let's go ahead and open this last box. I don't even know if we have enough money for the last box. Fingers crossed. Fingers freaking crossed. Yes, we do. Well, no, we do not. We do not have enough. Okay, so we're gonna have to go to all boxes, and we're just gonna have to open up like one of those gadget boxes that we just saw. They got hype boxes. Let's open up this one. I don't even want to see what they got. I'm just gonna click it. A whole bunch of just items, man. Let's see live drops. What people are getting. Cap. Nobody want that. Cap. For this last box, where is this? Let's just do gaming, man. F it. I don't really need any of this gaming stuff, but never mind. Nope. We're gonna keep doing this new one, until we run out of moolah. We got close with some. Most of them was whack. And that is officially it. Alright, so if you guys want to take anything away from this video, man, just know that the chances of y'all winning stuff is very, very low. Super stupid low. I feel like even if I upped it to like $1,000, I would still not win nothing. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, I just need you guys to go ahead and smash up that like button. That's all I ask. The man is wasting bread on these videos, thinking he gonna win, but y'all know I'm just gonna lose. And then if you're new to the channel, make sure that you guys go ahead and subscribe. I got 2 questions for you guys. 1, let me know if you've ever tried this out. And 2, do you guys think it's a scam? Because they just came off $40 for the boy. I think it's a scam, you know what I mean? And I do think that it's rigged and whatnot. So you guys just let me go ahead and let me know your opinion. But anyways, guys, your boy Chris Lee, aka CEasy, and I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and O and that 29. I got AK with the scores and 9.